Hello everyone, welcome to Tuesday. Well, unfortunately today the S&P 500 was down almost 0.5%, but the good news was that most of our targeted indexes were better than that, which is great, and especially led by clean energy. And we just bought clean energy yesterday for some of the portfolios. We've had it in some of the other portfolios prior to that. So it's something we've had for quite a while, and it's really taking off. And it's, like I said before, we're just looking for those waves. We want to get on those waves. We want to see some proof. You know, clean energy has been around for a long time, and now it's really starting to pay off. And you know what often happens with new industries is they have this really frothy period, which is what we saw with clean energy. But they're not really backed up by all of the earnings and the things that need to really happen. And then the stock prices come down a lot, and then finally they start making money and having markets, and that next wave that comes through, that's a great wave to be on, and that's kind of where we're at with that, in my opinion, as far as that goes. So, you know, I just sat through a webinar about how to invest in the fourth industrial revolution, and really fascinating, talking about all of the different areas of innovation that are happening right now. And I just want to make sure at some point in time that everybody that listens to this can have some concept of what is happening there, because as I'm watching that, I'm thinking, wow, why are we so worried about the presidential election, the stimulus package, and maybe even, you know, the pandemic itself? Because all of that stuff probably gets behind us at some point in time. And there's just unbelievable opportunity in the area of innovation, really like we've not seen before for a really long time. So I think that's exciting. It helps, I think, a lot for people to understand what's happening out there, and gives us some confidence, especially in our investing. And the more confidence we have in investing, the more we're willing to hang in there, the more stock we're willing to have, the more stock we're willing to have, the more we usually make over the long term. So, you know, that aspect of it, I think, is very important. I will be doing a longer video series, maybe one a month, like 10 minutes or 15 minutes, just highlighting some different areas. I'm going to do one on investing in the fourth industrial revolution, so watch for that. I think it's very important for people to understand kind of what's happening there if you're going to be an investor. So pretty good day today. I'm okay with what's happened altogether with our portfolios. I've had a rule of thumb that if you have two strong up days and the fourth day, which would be tomorrow, doesn't retrace all of that and fall back down below the fourth, that's usually a pretty good turnaround signal, where things are going to at least hold up, if not start to take off and move forward again. So it'll be really interesting to see what happens tomorrow. So I look forward to seeing you, and thank you very much for watching. Thank you.